Well, fireworks will soon once again begin to fill the night sky, but some veterans are urging the public to be mindful of the unintended toll these celebrations can take on people living with PTSD. And joining us now to talk more about some of the coping strategies is the board chair of Mental Health Advocates of Western New York, Erin M. Moss. All right, Erin, thank you for coming on in.
Thank you for having me.
And let's first start by talking about veterans and U.S. service members who, of course, have dedicated their lives to protecting us here, and the impact that fireworks can maybe have on them that may be triggering.
Absolutely. It's a great honor to serve our country. The veterans have worked so hard. They come back, and oftentimes a lot of them have post-traumatic stress, PTSD. And it can be triggered by loud noises, unexpected sounds, things in the environment that don't exactly fit, especially at night. And so when we talk about fireworks, that is something that is a huge trigger for many veterans.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you have any tips for them on how they can handle the holiday?
Yeah, grounding techniques are really great. So placing your hand on something, feeling where you are at that time, because what happens with PTSD, it tricks your mind and it makes you really believe that you're back there in that traumatic event. So grounding techniques like feeling, touching, counting, wearing noise cancellation headphones or earbuds are great. And connecting with your support system is always going to be a good thing.
Yeah. And then on the flip side, for people who are going out and they have the fireworks, they're lighting them off in their neighborhoods, and of course we have the large public displays.
Yeah.
What do you have to say to those people on how maybe they can monitor their behavior?
Yeah, it's always good to go to the public display, and the veterans know, and just people that suffer with PTSD, when these displays are, the times, and so they can prepare for them. It's really the unexpected things in the neighborhood that happen before the 4th, during, and then a lot of times in the days after. And so I would just tell neighbors to be mindful of the people around them. If you know that there's a veteran in your neighborhood, talking with them, letting them know the times that you plan your celebration, your fireworks, that really would help someone out for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and you bring up one good point. I didn't even think of that the fireworks display, it's happening on the 4th of July,
Yeah.
and that could be triggering for days to come.
Yeah, we often see people continuing the celebration, the day after, the fireworks, and even into the weekend. And so again, being mindful, especially as we move into the evening, that could really throw someone off that was prepared for that day, but not the following days.
All right, Erin Moss, thank you for this important conversation and coming on in on the 4th of July here. Happy 4th to you and your family.
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you.